I'm Greg from RV Haulers. Welcome to the welding shop here on a Friday afternoon. It's always noisy here. It's hard to find a time when it's quiet. But what we're doing today is I want to update Mark on how his bed build is coming along. We've got the truck we've named Drift in behind us, and there's the smart car bed underway. Let me show you how progress is coming along before we shut down for the day. So the guys are putting some of the final touches underneath the bed before we put the checker plate on top. We've got some really big toolboxes back there in the back, 30 inches wide by 24 high and 24 deep. The edge of the wheel is actually right there, so you'll see that we haven't quite taken out the wheel well. It's been laser cut. We leave just a little bit of place to protect the bed from bending while we're working on it and welding it in. Showing you underneath the sheets a little bit, you'll see how our boxes come really close to the wheel, both at the front and at the back. So we try to bring that as far back as we can to occupy as much space and maximize our storage. These are the trays to hold the ramps, and we finished fabricating the door on the front. And there too, that box, you'll see the fuel tank goes all the way up to there, and then the box is right next to it, so there's very little wasted space. We don't believe in doing anything light, so everything you'll see is pretty heavy gauge steel. We started to run our wiring for the lights as well, so inside that conduit is where the wire comes out for our clearance lamps. While the guys working, they'll keep walking around. So our back bumper's been fabricated. We've got some fill that we need to finish off in there. I'll swing around, hang on. Oh, yeah, I'm cutting in front. So we've made some improvements to our ladder design. We've made it taller, so I'll pull it out here in a second, but we've enclosed it so that no dirt can come up inside the ladder. We've kept with the door lock beam that we've used on the other side. Here's all the structure for the winch underneath, so the winch bolts up into there, and here's the arm where it gets inserted. So here's the change that we've made to the ladder. You'll see that instead of it being more vertical, we brought it out at more of a horizontal angle, so it's more like a step going up and down rather than a vertical ladder. We've also made it come closer to the ground, and we made it a little bit beefier. I'm really happy with how the tread design has worked out. I think it looks pretty cool too. That is a nice weld. Well, Mark, I estimate we've got about another 2 days of final prep on the bed before we'll be able to take this guy to the paint shop. So we got to put the checker plate on top, and we'll just inspect things for fit and finish. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about our RV haulers, and if you can hear me, contact us at www.rvhaulers.ca. Thanks for listening to me yell. We're going to put your perfect welds on YouTube. There. Okay, zoom in. There, if anybody wants good welding, they know where to come.